Dr. Daisy helped another patient feel better.
Who's next on the list? Donald Duck. Right. Donald is the third patient. Everybody say, third patient.
Third patient.
Well, it's about time.
Hiya, Donald. What's the matter? Does your head hurt?
No,
Do your shoulders hurt? Do your knees hurt?
no,
Then what's the matter?
What's Donald pointing to? His arm. Right.
Donald, are you pretending that your arm hurts?
that's it.
It looks like your arm fell asleep.
Oh, no.
And this arm fell asleep too.
Oh, this is terrible. What a predicament.
Don't worry, Donald. I know how to fix sleeping arms.
You do?
With jumping beans.
Daisy, that's a great idea. Jumping beans will jump around and wake Donald's arms right up.
There's only one problem. We don't have any jumping beans.
I know where we can get some jumping beans. Come on. Everybody say, Moo Mart.
Moo Mart!
Oh, customers, welcome to Moo Mart. Today we have a special on Big Bloomers.
No thanks, Clarabelle. We need to buy some jumping beans.
Oh, I think I might have some of those right over here.
Do you see the jar of jumping beans? Ha! Yeah, there it is.
Oh, jumpy little things, aren't they? That'll be 6 coins, please.
Mickey, I don't have any coins.
Gee, me neither.
What are we going to do? I need the jumping beans to make Donald's sleeping arms wake up.
Why don't we check our Mouse-Catools? Everybody say, oh, toodles!
Oh, toodles!
This is the Maryland Department of Emergency Management with the coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you during an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
The magnifying glass or the piggy bank? Which Mouse-Catool can give us some coins? The piggy bank. You got it. We got ears,